patios. We just pour it out here and Phil puts it in the wheelbarrow and wheelbarrows it in. Good morning, good night, and good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. We're on the job site. We got exposed concrete to do, and we got the big girl pump. It's been raining around here. That's why I haven't been working the last couple of days. It's a bit wet. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Concrete Ninja. Yeah, it's been raining here lately, so we haven't been doing much work, so we've just been waiting for the rain to go away, and that's why we got a pump today. We're not wheelbarrowing it around. We're not bringing the trucks in. We're just gonna pump it all around, so it should be a nice easy one. Pump some exposed, so you enjoy. It's what day is it today? I think it's Tuesday here. Yeah, Tuesday, so ain't the start of the week. Let's go. Okay guys, we got concrete. Concrete is here. I'm not sure who it is. I think it's Hanson's. Not sure, but anyway, let's go. So we're doing a driveway and around, surrounds. Everywhere, let's go. We got Big Phil. Boom, Big Phil. Whoa, Golddigger. Hard hat. He's doing the right thing. Okay, it's 8:45. We started at 8 o'clock. We've been going for 45 minutes so far. We've done all the front entrance in there, in this part of the garage. I'm just going down that side. Errol and David on this side. It's all happening. Already getting their edges into it. The mud's alright, bit wet today. Bit wet for the driveway. This is how the mix came, so we didn't add any water. Some people say you can't pump exposed for a pump. Well, that big wheel there is pumping all this. So it definitely can happen. Are you going to put a hide in? You just put a hide in. So are you going to put a hide in? No? Okay. Hey man. Alright, Phil's gonna do some bullfighting. It's pretty wet, so I'm gonna take it nice and easy. Beautiful. Bullfighting, good, bud, isn't it? Yeah. Obviously, we got to go all the way around the house yet. There's little patios here and there. A lot of little things to do. So I'll be sticking around today, guys, and finishing the job with the boys. Should be an action-packed day. Alright, I'll put these heights in a minute. No, this is how we're getting heights. We got a string, block.
You want to go up a little, right?
Then Scott,
Up
a block.
Further, more.
Nike's got a block. Hold on the boxing. That's the height of the concrete.
Yeah, really? Yeah, even 10.
Oh, that's it.
You didn't get it, did you?
Yeah, I got it. I got it. It wasn't exact. 10 mil, I reckon. But
Because it's a driveway,
Now
it
tell 'em.
doesn't matter if there's a hollow in it.
That's right.
Because the water doesn't run off the edge, it runs down onto there.
Yeah. All right. Explain good. It's 9 o'clock and Dave's got the stick trowel going already. Going good, Dave? All good? Yep. And we're just doing around the back. It's got a little blockage, so take you around the back and we'll have a look. What we got going? Let's go. All right, we've done this part around here now. On that patio, come around here, and all the way around the house. Just getting the pump ready. Let's go. Got your pump in there, I just pull out, pump it on the ground. All fill up to pick it up. I'm not just standing here watching him eating baked jerky. Oh, fuck. Right up. It's a good place, though. Yeah, Phil. Alright, so we got a new way of pouring concrete underneath patios. We just pour it out here and Phil puts it in the wheelbarrow and wheelbarrows it in. Yeah, Phil. Oh, that's right. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to put the hose underneath there. Ah, shit. We learn. Thanks, guys, for teaching us. Alright. Errol and the boys are pouring that bit there. Just did this bit over here. Screwed it with the 10-footer. The 10-footer or 12-footer? No, I think it's only 10-footer. Alright, we're nearly around the whole house. Davis is getting the driveway happening. Just went around now, the mower strips. These are little mower strips. I know some of these guys think, what's the waste of time? Why do they do this? But in Australia, they do it everywhere. Because we have vermins that will get up in here and go up in your holes and shit. And there's like, see this shit here? It's like termi mesh stuff inside the house to stop them. All the bugs get in there, so. But yeah, they do it all the time, I don't know. Yeah. The dampage as well. Alright, I'm going to do this little bit here. The boys are finishing off around the other side. I'll mag all this up and spread it off. That was that bit. Alright, we have got our plus. Phil's getting it in the wheelbarrow. Just got this little little bit to go here. About a 2 minute footpath and that's it. Driveway's getting sugared off. Molasses off already. All happening. Go Phil, go Phil. Go Phil. Doesn't use his thumbs. Right, I'm not telling him what to do. Yeah, buddy. Alright, it's 10:15 and we got this little bit in. All done. I'm nearly done, I think. These boys will be wanting me to go home. Boys are washing up the pump. Getting rid of all that access. Dave's getting the last little 6 round the driveway. Good times. Beautiful. Yeah, it was pretty good mud. It was alright to put in and yeah, it looks like it's pretty good to finish so far. So. Bloody all the rock spread over there, man. Yeah. This bastard, eh? Craig's just spraying shit everywhere. He don't give a fuck. At all. I'm bloody hungry, that's for sure. Nice. Alright, well, that's it, boys. Boys and girls. Hope you've enjoyed. Here's the molasses. Yum, yum, yum. It's like Coca-Cola. Errol, what's your hot tip for today?
The hot tip for today?
Oh, tell us that one you said before. About hallway sex.
Oh yeah.
Fucking in the hallway.
That's when you walk past your missus and she tells you to get, you know what, in the hallway.
Yeah.
That's hallway sex.
That's hallway sex. I never heard that one before. I've had it many a times. Just didn't know what was going on. Did I? Alright. Well, it's in the shade now, so I'll get the sun bits and I'll probably just wait for the shady bits, I suppose. Good shit, Nike. We did it, mate. Good work, mate. Sugar there, bit of molasses, good time. Am I sticking around or what? Yeah, yeah, you want me to? Yeah. You reckon? Yeah, okay, cool. Cool. Water runs in the bottom, bro. We're right, eh? You had the hose, the pump hooked up, bro. You had it hooked up that way. Tap the bottom, tap out the top. Beautiful, nice. How much that thing cost you, Dave? That little pump? Oh, see, Lawrence has been carrying the same shit one around for ages. Oh shit. I got all that too. You blow his lid, this one. You blow his lid. Now he's right. Are we ready to wash off now?
No, I was just making sure everything was working, mate.
Okay. Nike, what are you doing, mate?
They turn up.
Oh, mate, we don't want to hear your old man excuses. Alright, we're starting to wash off. It's like 12:15. We started at 8 o'clock. Like 4 hours ago, and we're washing off. Let's go. I'm gonna go on there and help them. But that's the colour they got working with today. We'll see it at the end. Look. Beautiful. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Photo, we got a video, mate. We got a whole video of the job. Looking good. Beautiful.
Holy shit, there's 4 days in front of me. Holy shit.
Are you right?
Which way are hard?
Go and sit down. You're having a head spin.
Scary, man. It was 4 days.
Ah. Alright, we're washing off. We're getting there. Look at that. Beautiful job. Looks beautiful. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that so far. Bit of exposed concrete, bit of screeding, bit of washing off, bit of sugaring. All happening. But I'll show you at the end when we're washing it all off. Enjoy. Make sure to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, can ya? Come on, 500 thumbs up. Come on, easy. Over 10,000 people watching. 500 thumbs up. Piss. Thanks guys, bye. Okay, the driveway is done. All blocked off. All good. You gotta see the colour. We've done all that part around there, washed it off, and then we washed all this off. All the way around here. We don't usually do the whole house, but this company wanted us to do it. We were supposed to do it the other week and it rained on us, so thought we'll just do the whole lot in one go. It's just the same really sometimes. As long as you got the good guys around you, it's all good. It's easy. But yeah, we're up to here. The rest of this is in the shade, so we have to wait a minute. But yeah, this is the mower strips. What do you call them? We call them mower strips. They're just so that when your grass doesn't grow right against your house and make moisture and the bugs and shit climb up the grass and go up in your windows, big spiders. A lot of insects and a lot of bugs around here in Australia and Queensland, especially in Queensland. Anyway, that's what we got today. Hope you liked that. Another day in the life of the concrete ninja. Like I said, I'm just a concreter. I work for all these guys. I'm not my own boss. I don't get the choice to do what they want to do. Like I got to do what they tell me to do because I'm the boss. They're the boss, so I don't have my own choices at all. So yeah. And if you want me to come and work for you, just yell out. I'll come and work for you. I'll work for anyone. So at the end of the day, but yeah, if you can give us a subscribe and give us a thumbs up, give the boys a thumbs up. Come on, 500 thumbs up. That'll be awesome. Leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you. I've been answering a lot of comments lately, so if you got something to say something to me. And don't be afraid to come and see me on Facebook or Instagram and say something over there. It's all good. I'll talk to you. And I'll see you all next time. See you all on the next job. I'll go tomorrow off, so I won't be doing nothing tomorrow. The next day. Bye-bye. See you, Dave.
See you, mate.